this is what our finished nesting box is going to look like. Pretty great, right? Got some room for a bird family in there. And there's a number of features on it that Mark is going to show us before we begin putting ours together. So we have an idea of why we're doing what we're doing, because every part of it has a function. So tell us about that, Mark.
Okay, first off, you'll notice that the top, these outside faces are the rough sawn board. Here you can see that this one's been planed down. So all the stuff on the inside is planed. So that'll help you keep the parts oriented the right way.
Why do we put the rough on the outside and the smooth on the inside?
It's just, well, actually rough sawn tends to not split as much as the planed. And
Okay.
so it'll weather a little better. And
Good.
it just looks a little more natural in the woods than the plain board is.
Okay.
So to clean this birdhouse out, we don't put any nails except right at the very top to hold this piece in. So that can open up and you can clean it out.
Look, we've got a side door on there for a special purpose. Let's remember that when we're putting it together.
And this piece has a bevel on top. If I can get right, there it is. So it has this is that piece right there. See how it's cut? There's a bevel on it.
It's
so
cut
that,
at an angle, right?
so that when you open it, there's clearance. Otherwise, the top of this would hit this as you move it, as it pivots. And then underneath, the bottom has these corners cut out, and that's for drainage. In case any water does get in here, it can drain out and not get the nest all wet. The other thing that we have is one screw is screwed into the side so that once that's in there, then you can't open up the side.
So in
that
case
holds
the
that
birds
side.
want their privacy,
Right.
we might leave it like that.
It's like a lock for the door.
It's only when we want to clean it out that we have to take the screw out to open up that side.
Oop. Get in there.
And what are the holes at the top and the side for?
So these are just for ventilation, so that it keeps it a little air coming through.
Okay.
Keeps it dry.
Looks good. How are we going to put this up when it comes time to put it up on our fence or tree or so?
There's a hole at the very top, and you can put a nail or screw or anything into where you want to hang it. Or if you want to tie it, you can run a small rope through there.
All right. Looks good. I can't wait to make our own.